Hi everyone, I want to say welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you very much for all of the subscribers and those who also give a thumbs up. I want to thank you so very much, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So today going to be about changing the sun visor in a 2007 Toyota Camry. Now it shouldn't take more than less than 5 minutes, because I now realize some things in the car could be done in 5 minutes. So I'm going to try to demonstrate on how to really remove and replace the sun visor, because you know we all need it, especially when that sunlight just blinding in your eye. It's so annoying. Although you can wear shades, yes, but sometimes we don't always have shades at hand in the moment. Okay, so if you guys were able to gain any information from this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below and a thumbs up, and let me know how I did. Okay, so let's get started. So come and show you what the sun visor is for those folks who don't know what sun visor is. Alright. So as you can see, this is the sun visor. Every time I carry it up, this is what happened to it. It's broken. So now we have to do is replace it. Now I will always try my best to see if I can come up with another alternative in order for me to don't have to really go so far to even replace the entire thing, at least for the meantime. But over time it becomes a little stressful, because every single time I carry it up, come back down. And what these black things are, these are Velcro. Thinking it would be much more of a, thinking it would be a better help, but it turned out not to be. Kinda, but it helped for it helped for a little while. So every time I stick it up, put it up, as you see, it come right back down. And what happened to it right inside of here is broken. So we really have to get it fixed. Now how we go about getting it fixed, because it's so bad. Because imagine if you trying to drive and this thing keep coming down in your face every single time. It's annoying. It's really annoying. But we have to get it replaced. Alright, so what I did was I ordered it. Where did I order it from? I ordered it from Amazon, and what I'll do, I'll leave a link down below and from in the description showing you guys where did I order it from. Alright, like I said, I ordered it from Amazon, and you have to be careful on which one you're gonna get, because for this particular car and vehicle you have to ask, or sorry, not ask, you have to look up and type the correct make and model of the car, because this one here is made specifically for this car. Reason why, because this car have a sunroof. Now when you type it up in the description on Amazon, they will say, is it for a sun visor, is it for a sunroof, or no sunroof? Then you, of course, you'll pick sunroof, because this is what your vehicle comes with. And this is how it really looks. As you can see, I have this little clipping and thing right here. Alright, so really and truly what we have to do is remove this piece here. It may give it a little trouble to really actually come out. So what we need is a screwdriver, a flathead to be exact. And we turn and bring it out. See, so this side come out, which is good. Then we have this other side now. Seems like it's gonna give me a little trouble to come out, but just be a little patient. This bad boy really don't want to come out. Oh my gosh, I swear, I feel like I'm dancing with this thing. Make life easy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright, so it finally come out. So what we could have done to make life a little more easier, which is just take a screwdriver and push it down in between here, and once it comes out, then that's it for that. But we still need this piece here. So now I'm gonna remove this one here, the old one. Okay, so put this on the side. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the old one. So now we're gonna take the flathead screwdriver, push it all up in between here. Alright, then pry it out. Come to the next side. Move this piece. Right. It may seem a little more tedious when you're really trying to get this piece out, but once you get it out, it's really easy after that. Alright. Whew. Finally. Alright. So this is how the old one looks like. These are the springs that was here. This is how it really looks like, but this piece here is supposed to be facing on the outside. Alright, and this piece, you don't really need this piece anymore. You don't need any of these pieces. What you ought to do is just remove the springs, because you're going to put in a whole new one. So I'm just putting it in just to show you guys how it really looks like. Alright, and this piece here, come down, and then that's it. So as you can see, here is split, and not supposed to be split. It's supposed to look like, where's the new one? Oh, my bad. See the difference? So this here is nice and tight and it's closed, compared to this one is wide open. So every time whenever you carry it up, it jumps back down because there's nothing to really hold it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, just pop this baby back in. Alright, and take the next piece, part of this, squeeze it back in. And that part goes up. All right, and that's it. See, you're done. Now we just have to make sure that it really works. See, that wasn't too hard. I believe that's the reason why you asked for the one with the sunroof. So once you click it on, carry it up to make sure, and it stays. Yes. Oh gosh. It took a little work, took a little bit longer than the 5 minutes, but I'm hoping that in your case, it'll be a lot more easier. And it won't take as long. But nevertheless, you tried. So, you guys tell me what you guys think. Now, do you think you guys could do the same? Do you think you guys could even do even better? And if you can, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know when you guys tried it. How did it work out for you guys? Was it easy? Was it difficult? And were you guys able to recommend to anybody else? Well, again, the video is always here. Feel free. And if any other questions you guys may have, feel free again. Just leave a comment down below. Okay? So, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and look up for another video again. Okay? Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.